As a news organization, be out here and have all the fun and discount the fact that a major decision came down last night. There's been a lot of talk about safety and guns at the state fair, and something unfolded last night that held a decision in check that fair officials made weeks and weeks ago. And with the latest update on that, Jack Fink is in our studio today to bring us up to speed on this legal fight and where things stand as of right now. Jack?
Well, hey there, Doug. The state fair won its legal challenge and can implement its ban on guns for most people after the Texas Supreme Court ruled unanimously last night, 9-0 against the Texas Attorney General's office. The state filed an emergency request to overturn the ban, which was upheld by two lower courts. Attorney General Ken Paxton has said people who have concealed carry permits should be allowed to carry their handguns on public property. But the state fair says existing state law allows them, as a private organization that's leasing government facilities, in this case from the city of Dallas, to establish its own policies, including not allowing guns. It did so after 3 people were shot there last year. Now, the city of Dallas has said it had nothing to do with the fair's new policy. In its ruling, 3 of the justices said, quote, "This court cannot possibly order the state fair to allow handguns to be carried at this year's fair when the party seeking that relief does not even argue that Texas law obligates the fair to do so." Now, in a statement, Paxton said, quote, "This case is not over," and went on to say he'll work with the legislature this session to protect law-abiding citizens' Second Amendment rights on public property. We'll continue this.
The emergency is over, isn't going to apply to this fair, but if the legislature doesn't address it, he's entitled to try to get a court precedent that might affect, if not the next fair, other similar sorts of events around the state.
And so we're going to be continuing this discussion and looking at the Texas Senate race between Ted Cruz and Colin Allred coming up Sunday morning at 7:30 on Eye on Politics. Hope you join us. Doug?